Mr. Counsel, you have informed the registry that on 25th September at 8 p.m. your police have made the arrest. That is on record.
मैं ये जानना चाहूँगा
Where is the police custody? अब मैं आपसे ये जानना चाहूँगा कहाँ है पुलिस कस्टडी?
माइनर पुलिस कस्टडी कभी रही नहीं, क्योंकि हमने कभी पुलिस कस्टडी ली नहीं है।
आपने पुलिस कस्टडी नहीं ली ना? That is why you have filed the habeas corpus.
माइनर जब पुलिस कस्टडी में कभी रही नहीं तो पुलिस क्या बताए?
If you arrested the petitioner, then where you kept them? If not,
We arrested.
No, if police has arrested the petitioner and not asked for the police custody, they must have been sent to the judicial custody automatically.
they must
Sir,
ask
in
the
arrest memo.
magistrate for the judicial custody.
In arrest memo.
They will not ask the magistrate. Why police will ask? Police does not require the police custody. They are automatically sent. Please maintain the silence. Police has not asked for the police custody. Automatically they are sent to the judicial custody. This court, are they in judicial custody?
No, no.
See, on your submission we have issued the writ of habeas corpus. You have misused the power of this law.
Illogical writ petition लग रही है माइनर बेल में।
You have been given the arrest memo at the time of arrest.
The SI
Who has received the arrest memo on behalf of the arrested person?
called the accused father
Accused father.
informed.
Have you informed them that they have been sent to the judicial custody?
Yes, madam. They have it's given in the Rishabh Singh is the Rajendra Singh, and in Virendra Singh the father, Sudha the mother, Sudha Singh, and in Vishwajit
Mr.
Balala.
Counsel, I am asking a question whether they have been informed that police custody has not been demanded, but they have been sent to the judicial custody.
Yes, madam.
Have you informed these facts to the parents of the arrested
madam.
person?
Yes, madam.
Where is the proof?
माइनर को बाई कॉल बता दिया गया है कि ये जो हमारे
Where is the call detail? Where is the recording? Where is the CDR?
is not right now not there, but in the next hearing I will.
चलिए आपके क्लाइंट्स को आपको दिख गए ना?
Yes, ma'am.
अब क्या चाहते हैं?
They must be set at liberty.
They are in judicial custody. You don't require police custody. What is harm in granting bail in that matter? Bail का ही matter है.
It's a
The writ petition.
Writ petition.
Produce the body.
ठीक है, they have been produced by the AGA. This writ is disclosed.
Minor
The petition must be set at
Minor
liberty.
demand.
Minor, they are detained illegally.
Now they have detained illegally. Your submission was that they have been detained illegally. All the accused. Now the police has produced all the accused in front of your eyes. You have verified them.
But their fundamental rights are violated.
Which fundamental rights?
Article 22 rules.
Which 22? They are in front of your eyes. You have verified them.
But they were detained illegally.
No, they have not been detained illegally.
They were-
Police has not asked for the police custody.
There is no name in the FIR. There is no any
FIR could
record
be
of their.
unanimous. FIR could be unanimous. That is not the rule. That is not the rule. It could be, this FIR could be anonymous. अरे भाई इनको नहीं पता कौन है क्यों तो रजिस्टर नहीं करेंगे FIR. What is your prayer? Issue a writ in the nature of habeas corpus. To the opposite party that is already issued and complied with, pass such other and further order as may be fit and proper in interest of justice. What else do you want? जो आप मानते थे वो दोनों ऑर्डर तो कर दिया और क्या चाहते हैं?
My lord, there must be compensation must be granted to the petitioner.
Minor unit petition.
Criminal case. the case
But
charges,
there is
क्या
no
बोलते
issue
हैं?
but there is no any
The arrest is not illegal. Are you getting the point? Because when they have arrested, they have served the notice to the parents. That is there and that is there in your petition. आप ही ने लगाया. आप कैसे कह रहे हैं arrest illegal है? The only thing was whether they are this particular fact was not known to you, and that is why you have asked for habeas corpus. This bench has issued habeas corpus. They have complied with habeas corpus. Now what else do you want?
My lord, at the time of arrest, the petitioners were not informed about the fact of the case and why they were being arrested. Because in the arrest memo,
How can you say that they have not been informed?
because in the arrest memo, the sign of the arrest on all the 5 arrest memo are same. This may be the signed by himself.
Page number बताइए.
Page number 15 to 19. Arrest memo.
Signature of the arrestee is there.
All the sign of the all the arrest memo sign of the arrestee are the same. The arrest memo is itself it's fake. It's made by themselves only.
That is a technical issue.
Sir, how can a sign of arrestee be same?
Yes, Mr. AGA. Accused 5 हैं और signature 1.
My lord, here,
Is anyone from the police has signed it? किसकी signature है? This signature is intelligible.
no, my lord, this is a technical problem.
This is intelligible. ये तो पता भी नहीं चल रहा किसका है. On which date you have served the arrest memo?
To the accused family.
Yes.
On 26. But I informed at the time of arrest. I just informed the accused family, the arrestee, all the accused are arrested.
I'll send you out of the court. See properly. क्या नाम है आपका? शेखर. I'll have you outside of the court.
My lord, at the time of arrest, accused के family members को बता दिया गया कि अरेस्ट हो चुके हैं, but arrest memo नहीं दिया गया.
There is a simple question that is asked to you. How can one signature be on all the arrest memos?
My lord,
There is only one inference from this that one person has signed all the arrest memos. What other inference can you draw?
this is a technical problem. I think.
Even the place of arrest in the
It's a
arrest
serious
memo.
omission.
My lord.
एक ही आदमी ने कर दिए हैं ना सारे, यही तो इसका मतलब है. और क्या मतलब निकल सकता है आप ही बताइए. What other inference can you draw?
Technical
You
problem.
just tell, you are the officer of the court. Tell the court.
What kind of technical error?
What kind of technical error?
Explain that error.
Is it a digital signature? Even if it is a digital signature, again they are saying.
But they inform the parents of the accused.
So,
So,
But there is no
accused, the detention is not illegal.
detention is not illegal. What about the arrest memo? How can you say that detention is not? This is not detention. This is arrest. There is a difference between detention and arrest. वो तो पता होगा ना आपको? Detention और arrest में difference है.
Can you explain it?
My lord, ये technical problem है.
Detention and arrest, can you distinguish?
My lord. The petitioner must not be sent back to the police.
My lord, एक और
No,
बात.
they won't do. They have been produced before the court. Court is
मैं
granting
लड़की
bail.
काउंसिल से एक और चीज़ पूछना चाहूँगा. जब 25 तारीख को मैं अरेस्ट कर चुका हूँ तो इन्हें 6 तारीख को रेड फाइल करते हैं. अगर
आपको
हमें
arrest क्यों करना है? Why are you interested in investigation?
My lord, अरेस्ट मेमो में हमने बता दिया उनको कि 25 तारीख को अरेस्ट हुए. रेड फाइल हुए 6 तारीख को.
What do you want from them now? क्या चाहिए आपको?
आपको क्या चाहिए? What is your objection?
आरोप मैं ये बोलना चाहूँगा कि ये जो रेट पिटिशन फाइल हुई है बिफोर दी हायर कोर्ट
ये डिस्कस करना है.
इज बेसलेस बिकॉज द
बिल्कुल
अरेस्ट
baseless नहीं.
अरेस्ट सर 25 को हुआ है, रेट पिटिशन 6 को हो रही है. अगर सर इलीगल डिटेंशन सब इतने दिन से ये कहाँ आते हैं? वी इन्फॉर्म द फादर्स ऑफ द ऑल एक्यूज वेयर इज ऑल आर फ्रॉम क्लास 15
On which date you have filed the writ petition? Filing date.
6th of October.
6th of October.
अगर there is
The parents are
more than
informed
24 hours
more than-
according to habeas corpus writ, not police have the not the power to illegally detain any accused more than 24 hours. तो मान लो जब 25 का से 6 को लगा रहे हैं, इतने दिन ये कहाँ आते हैं? अगर illegally detain ये कहते हैं writ में तो इतने दिन कहाँ आते हैं? अगर ये मुझे
अरे ये मूवी वाली कोर्ट नहीं है, ऐसा ऐसा है ना? Yes, that was a valid point that learned AG has made.
The petitioners
If apprehension was that the arrest was made illegal, and yes, they have informed the parents on date, then why haven't you applied it earlier? Well, see, we are not saying that you have applied late, so it will make your writ petition infructuous. You only have to justify the date.
my Lord Counsel said that they informed the relatives of the petitioner on 26. But according to my knowledge, the relatives of the petitioner were informed on 4th or 5th October itself. By that time,
That is the proof that you have
all
informed
are
the parents.
in
That is there.
He said that he has telephoned them and
Where is the CDR?
you can't be believed unless you have a document.
My lord, the call recording is not right now, but we can pretty
How can this court rely on
So
that?
you argue only what you have evidence. Don't argue anything which you don't have.
ये DCP को वही बोलना है, यहाँ नहीं। ध्यान दो। ठीक है, ये पूरा ऑर्डर है, तो कॉपी कर लीजिएगा। ठीक है, आगे लिख दीजिएगा। In persuasion of the order dated so and so. Order dated 10/10/2019. Then copy the whole order. After that, note down. यहाँ पे copy करवा दीजिए। Note down. In compliance of the order made dated 10/10/2019, DCP of East Delhi has complied the order. DCP कौन है? आइए इधर। कहाँ से लेके आए इनको?
JC से लाए ना?
जेसी से लाए। थैंक यू। DCP has complied. The DCP has complied with the order issued in the nature of habeas corpus by this bench. Full stop. All the 5 accused persons have been produced before the court, and the same is verified by the learned counsel for the petitioner. Full stop. Since learned AGA could not produce the documentary evidence to support the submission that they have informed the parents of and about the said arrest, this court is of the opinion that the petition filed by the petitioners are allowed, comma, order is complied with, comma, all the accused are released on bail. All the accused are released on bail till the filing of charge sheet. I'll take care of it. कोई बात नहीं भैया, 226 का jurisdiction है. We are exercising the discretionary jurisdiction under Article 226. We can even order the arrest of them. Bail is granted to और बेल हटा दीजिए, सिर्फ द AGA इज हैविंग द ऑब्जेक्शन हटाइए, वो वाली पूरी लाइन हटा दीजिए. लिखिए, नो कोअर्सिव एक्शन शैल बी टेकन बाय द पुलिस. नो कोअर्सिव एक्शन समझ लिए ना, अरेस्ट नहीं करेंगे आप. नो कोअर्सिव एक्शन शैल बी टेकन बाय द पुलिस टिल द फाइलिंग ऑफ चार्जशीट. Once the charge sheet will be filed, you will have every right to plead against the argument scored. Okay? Writ petition is disposed of. Thank you.